With the League 2 season at the halfway point, it is only right to look back so far at what has been a very topsy-turvy season at both ends of the table. Starting off in the race for promotion to League 1, and a team that drew with Cheltenham at the Johnny Rocks earlier this season, Cambridge United lead the way in League 2. This is largely down to the 18 league goals scored this season by striker Paul Mullins, coupled with the fact that manager Mark Bonner has impressed as head coach in his first season in charge of the U's. Moving on to our local neighbours and rivals Forest Green Rovers, who are looking to get to League 1 for the first time in their club's history. New signing Nicky Cadden and top scorer Jamil Matt are proving instrumental in Rovers' push for the top prize. As a result, the significance of El Glossico this weekend cannot be understated for how much of an important game it is for both sides to really make a statement as we approach the pivotal part of the season. One place below Forest Green and sitting in third place are Morecambe. Manager Derek Adams, in his first full season in charge, has transformed the Shrimps from relegation candidates to a team chasing promotion. It would be a remarkable turnaround if Adams can get the Shrimps up into League 1. Sitting just below Cheltenham in fifth place are Newport County. Manager Michael Flynn has got the Exiles in and up around it again in League 2. Not only that, but Flynn has also steered the club from South Wales into the FA Cup third round, where they eventually lost on penalties to Premier League side Brighton and Hove Albion. Just below County in sixth place are the club furthest north of the country in the division, Carlisle United. The Blues are looking to get back into League 1 after a few seasons away from the division. The side from Cumbria have been really impressive under manager Chris Beach, who is in his first season in charge. And occupying the last playoff slot at this current moment are Salford City. With the class of 92 back in the Ammies, there are big expectations at the club for a real promotion push this season to League 1. Richie Wellens is now manager after replacing former boss Graham Alexander. Wellens won the title with Swindon Town last season, so he certainly knows the recipe for success. The tight nature of the battle for promotion is also replicated in the battle for survival, with Southend United currently bottom of the table. After an awful start to the season, Mark Mosley is still in charge, but there are reasons to be optimistic for United with their good form over the Christmas period. The question is, will this form help the club from Essex survive in the end? We will find out in due course. Sat just above Southend United and currently occupying the second relegation place are Grimsby Town, who have had a turbulent season so far to say the least. After an awful start, experienced boss Ian Holloway resigned, and Paul Hurst, the man who got them promoted back into the Football League a few seasons ago, is back in charge. They will be desperate to claw themselves away from non-league football. Sat just above the relegation places are Southern side Stevenage FC. After an awful season in the last campaign, the Borough will be desperate to get away from trouble under manager Alex Revell. Their precious point picked up against Cheltenham at the Johnny Rocks Stadium earlier this season was massive for their survival fight in the league. The last team in immediate trouble of relegation are 21st place and newcomers to the league this season, Barrow AFC. Under the leadership of Michael Jolly, the Bluebirds will be hoping to stay up in the second half of the season and make home advantage count at Holker Street. So, how much change are we going to see in the race for promotion and the battle for survival? We will find out very soon. It's certainly going to be a fascinating climax to the end of the season.